And I want to thank Friedrich for his leadership on this, pledging decisive action to strengthen German law this year so that small boats being stored or transported in Germany can be seized, disrupting the route to the UK. And it's a clear sign that we mean business. We are coming after the criminal gangs in every way that we can. We also discussed the appalling situation in Gaza. We are both working to support efforts towards a ceasefire and also to demand the immediate unconditional release of the remaining hostages and the immediate unconditional humanitarian access that is so desperately needed to deliver aid at volume and at speed.